Hello folks. Now before we get started, I'd like to invite you to work with my internet coaches, Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier to help you build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now this is a massive opportunity, folks, so if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus is about an affiliate marketing business made easy. And this course explains the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates, and it includes resource articles for your benefit. And bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic to make money online. Bonus number 3 shows you a highly prized product that allows you to act as a middleman in Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer. And in the process, you become the middleman, and you also pocket the difference. Bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income, and this is a crucial point, folks. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while spending about 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Let's move on to the review. The vendor and creators of the Peak Performance System are Yushan and Kelly Lee. Now, they are prolific creators and vendors in the fields of personal development and the self-help niche. They have over 32,400 sales just on the Warrior Plus platform. And Peak Performance System, I'm sure, will be a hit among your followers. In a nutshell, Peak Performance System teaches you how to elevate your productivity and achieve your goals. It is a blueprint for those who want to unlock their full potential and achieve a higher level of productivity and performance. Now, things you should know about this product, well, it has up-to-date information on how to map your path to peak productivity. It has 10 powerful chapters with over 10,000 words written by proficient writers. You get full PLR rights along with editable doc and PDF format, so you can freely edit the book however you wish to customize the content to your personal taste. Not only that, there are stunning graphics, chapter graphics that will keep your readers spellbound, and you receive fantastic information that you might even like yourself. Inside the modules, there are 10 modules. You get an ebook valued about $700. You get a complete checklist, a comprehensive mind map, high converting sales page, a video sales letter, exclusive lead magnets, professional landing page, follow-up email swipes, stunning graphics pack, and license certificates. Over and above that, you get fast action bonuses. And the fast action bonus number 1 is a PLR powerhouse valued at $197. Fast action bonus number 2, you receive a sales funnel hack at a value of $197. And bonus number 3 is an announced bonus, and that's valued at approximately $1,000. Now, what you'll learn with this product is that you'll learn the peak performance state and its key components, techniques to achieve and maintain a flow state for optimal productivity. You'll learn building resilience to bounce back from setbacks and challenges, setting achieving goals and oriented objectives, adapting to changing situations and environments, maintaining consistency and delivering exceptional results, developing a peak performance mindset with emotional control and confidence, and much, much more. That's just the tip of the iceberg. You can take a look at the chapters here. You can see that they are stunning graphics, and each chapter of the 10 chapters has all of these types of stunning graphics. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end, everything that we talked about, is $13.95. It goes up to $19.95, and that's really on a dime sale. Then OTO1 is for $47, and it's a PLR Pro upgrade. And there you get high quality videos and upgrades and high converting upsell pages and professional video sales letter and so on. And you also get a number of new bonuses. OTO2 is a $97 special PLR bundle package where you receive 4 of the best-selling PLR packages in one special offer. And they come with not only with the front-end product, but all the upgrades as well. And OTO3 varies from $77 to $147, depending on what you require. And it's a done-for-you installation service. And the VIP membership is a monthly fee or an annual fee. And there you receive the VIP membership deal, as well as early access to all the latest PLR products, and you get those every month. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And I cannot recommend this more than I can, because many of us are receiving monthly income as a result of buying into this particular program. So take a hard look at it. And my 5 bonuses: supercharge your online business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain recurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and implement affiliate marketing the easy way. Now, thank you for watching, folks. Don't forget to purchase the $10,000 a month click, and make sure that you take a hard look at this particular product. Bye for now. See you next time.